Every clothing brand you love, Nike, H&M, Zara, started with one person, one idea, and one factory. What if that factory could be yours?
Starting a clothing manufacturing business is one of the most powerful moves in the fashion industry, and today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Welcome back to the channel. As a textile engineer, I'm often asked about the latest advancements in sustainable fabrics. Let's look at these.
We're covering all 9 critical steps, from market research to getting your first order shipped. Stay till the end. Step 1 is market research and niche selection. You cannot manufacture everything for everyone. That's how you lose money fast. Pick one garment product, study current trends, analyze customer preferences, and most importantly, find the gap in the market. Your niche should have demand, but
Demand plus low competition plus your expertise equals a winning niche.
Step 2, build your business plan. This is your factory's roadmap. Define your vision, identify your target market. Are you selling to boutiques, schools? Startup costs range from just $5,000 for a small home-based operation, all the way to over $20 million for a large industrial factory. Step 3 is choosing your manufacturing model, and this decision shapes everything. You have 3 options: OEM, ODM, or CMT. OEM, you provide the designs and tech packs the factory manufactures. ODM, you pick from the factory's existing catalog and add your brand label. CMT, cut, make, trim, crank, means YOU source all fabrics and trims, and the factory only provides the labor. Step 4 minces legal formalities. In countries like Bangladesh, you go through a structured 3-phase legal journey before you can legally manufacture. You'll need a trade license, company registration, TIN, VAT, factory license, fire license.
Joining trade bodies like BGMEA or BKMEA is often mandatory to access export facilities. These membership facilities.
Step 5, tech packs and sampling. A tech pack contains design sketches, bill of materials, measurement specs, and every construction details. Before bulk production begins, you go through 3 sampling stages: styling sample, size set sample, and pre-production sample. Skipping proper sampling is the #1 way new manufacturers lose money on their first bulk order. Get the sample right, then produce 10,000 units with confidence. Step 6, factory setup. Location matters more than people realize. You want proximity to fabric suppliers? Invest in energy-efficient machinery from day 1. In a high-volume factory, this alone can save tens of thousands of dollars per year. Step 7, technology. Modern factories run on ERP software. Tools like Odoo, WFX Apparel manage your inventory, production planning, and financials.
Review zipper details, please. Confirmed. Proceeding with gold.
Step 8, quality control. Inline audits during sewing, end-line audits after each sewing, and a final inspection before packing. Final inspection verifies measurements, confirms correct labeling, checks for defects, and critically runs every garment through a metal detector. One bad batch reaching a buyer can end your export relationship permanently. Build your QC manual before your first production run.
Step 9, marketing and distribution. Leverage Instagram and Facebook with strong visual content. Your product is visual, it must look incredible on screen.
Your distribution strategy can be online, through your own Shopify store or Amazon, through apparel specialty boutiques, or through large department stores.
Monitor your sales data and customer feedback. The brands that scale aren't the ones with the best designs, they're the ones who listen to data and adapt fastest.
Let's recap. 9 steps: market research, business plan, manufacturing model, legal setup, tech packs, factory setup, ERP, quality control, and marketing. The clothing industry is one of the largest in the world. There is room for you. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is this: execution.
Now I want to hear from you. Which step are you working on right now? Are you already setting up your factory? Drop it in the comments.
If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and I publish new manufacturing and textile business content every day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.